Hey guys, today I am going to draw a fun Santa Claus just in time for Christmas. Start with a big round shape for Santa's head. Next, add a fluffy white beard which is big just like Santa. Now let's draw its iconic red head. Start at the top of the head and make nice curve and add a fluffy white pom-pom at the end. Next, draw two small circles for eyes and little eyebrows above them. A big friendly smile is must. Draw the parts of body. Please like and share and subscribe my channel for new updates. Let's color the head with red. Lastly, I used black marker pen for outlines. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and next draw a gift bag and color it. Finally, it's done. The cute and funny Santa Claus is ready.